Install Python in Jupyterlab.
Go to python.org. Download and install Python. Congrats, Python is installed. Open a terminal. Type and run pip3 install Jupyterlab. Congrats, Jupyterlab is installed. To run Jupyter, open a terminal, type and run Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook will run in a browser. Create a new notebook, give it a name, save it, and start coding in it. Type each segment of code in a cell and run the cell to see the results. Don't forget to save. Congrats, you just started coding in Python.